Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about FTBL Boots mystery box or FTBL Boots platform. Okay, so it's a legit one or it's a scam. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you, like, the platform is like 4 years from now, and in the period of 4 years they have like a trust score of 74 out of 100, and they are not listed on Trustpilot. So this is a positive point, like the platform is available on internet from last 4 years and trust score is good. And this is the very negative point, why this platform not on Trustpilot. It should be on Trustpilot. Okay, but if we talk about, like, you should go with this mystery box, or what is the use of mystery box, and when you get mystery box, so is this platform legit or it's a scam? So my dear friends, I want to tell you, like, after making a lots of research, I found that they have provided their Facebook page on the website. They have like provided their contact information, WhatsApp number, and they have like different kinds of brands available on their website, and they are also active on Facebook, and they have provided lots of images on Facebook. And if we talk about like this page, you can see over here, this page is transparency, like you can see in 2020. Okay, so this is the same time period, like approx 4 to 5 years. So it means the brand is 100% looking like a legit. Okay, and if we talk about you should purchase any kind of product on this store or not, yes, you can make a purchase, but before making any kind of purchase, before placing any kind of order, you should contact with the customer support team related to return and refund, because this is not our website and we are providing only information based on the information provided on internet and provided on the website. After making a conclusion, it's looking like a legit one. Okay, so if we talk about like this mystery box, so if you are a lucky one, then you will get this mystery box, otherwise you will not get mystery box. Okay, so they will release this mystery box every 200th box. And if we talk about like the costing, you know very well, the costing is this 14.59 euros, and this is the information. Now if you have any experience with this website, you can share your thoughts is very helpful for other people's also. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends. If you have any kind of experience, please share your, you can say, like, experience. It's very helpful for other people's. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.